Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows two ureteric stones with the large vesicle stone. You can see the left kidney and it shows mild to moderate hydronephrosis with hydroureter. Ureteric stones are kidney stones that are stuck within one of the two ureters leading from the kidney to the bladder. Signs and symptoms of kidney and ureteric stone may include pain in the back and side, often just below the ribs, pain that changes from the kidney to the level of blockage into the ureter, pain with urination, nausea and or vomiting, more frequent urination, urine that is cloudy or has a strong foul smell, and blood in the urine. Now you will see the tracing of the left kidney, and just in the proximal portion of the ureter, this is the left ureter, and you can see both the stones lying adjacent to each other. These are the stones that are stuck in the upper one third of the left ureter. Now you will see the measurement of these stones. One stone measures about 9.2 millimeter and the other measures about 8.2 millimeter. Now, size of the stone is a major factor in whether it can pass naturally. Stones smaller than 4 millimeter pass on their own in about 80% of cases. They take an average of 31 days to pass, but I think they may take just a week to pass. Stones that are 4 to 6 millimeter are more likely to require some sort of treatment, but around 60% pass naturally. Stones that are above the 6 millimeter, they will take some more time. Now you can see the urinary bladder and a large stone is seen. This is the urinary bladder, and this is a large stone, and this stone measures about 30 millimeter, 30.1 millimeter, quite a large stone. Now the most small stones in patients with relatively mild adenonephrosis can be treated with observation and painkillers. More serious cases with intractable pain may require drainage with a stent or percutaneous nephrostomy. Medium to large size stones eventually begin to move from the kidney to the ureter where they got stuck. Where they get stuck, the main symptom is severe pain on either side of the back. The pain results from body's attempt to move the stone out of the ureter and into the bladder. Now you can see the urinary bladder, and this is a male patient. You can see the prostate also. Now the vesicle stones, sonographically they are mobile, echogenic, and have a shadow distally. They may be associated with bladder wall thickness due to inflammation. Bladder calculi occur either from migrated renal calculi or urinary stasis. Bladder calculi can be divided into primary and secondary stones. The primary stones are found in sterile urine, usually renal calculi, which have migrated down into the urinary bladder. Now the secondary stones are that form in the bladder from concretions or foreign material, for example, urinary catheters. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.